Hi, this is Amy, and today we're taking a look at Scented Slimes by Amy. We've got our care card, some candy, borax, and some really cute little flower charms. I ordered her Valentine pack. It came with 4 3-ounce slimes. I also was really interested in this Starry Night slime, so I ordered that one as well. First up was Starry Night, and it was absolutely beautiful. Look at this. There even was some little Fimo moon and star slices on the outside. They were placed perfectly so that you could see them outside the jar. So in order to keep that beautiful design on the outside, it is a super clay heavy slime, very flat, not a lot of slime to it. It really did have an awful lot of clay, so it wasn't my favorite once it was mixed, but it really was beautiful. First up in the Valentine bundle was the X's and O's slime. On her website, she said this was a holdable thick butter slime, scented like glazed donuts and lemon pound cake. I definitely did smell a bakery scent in there, but I wouldn't have been able to pick out exactly what it was. It was smooth, creamy, definitely holdable. It was spreadable, but still very clay heavy. It wasn't as thick as I would hope for a butter slime, but it was still very nice. Next up is Valenslime. This is a silky, soft, stretchy cloud dough, scented like cherries and strawberries. It was swirled with pink, white, red, and it made a great Valentine's Day slime. As you can see, there was pretty much no mixing in transit. It really was beautiful. This slime was still pretty clay heavy, as you can see, She calls this one a cloud dough, so maybe that is what cloud doughs are like. I'm just not super familiar with them. We have Cupid's Candy. This is a cloud slime with conversation heart charms. It's scented like candy, and it included some Fimo slices, confetti sprinkles, and a larger heart charm. It wasn't a huge drizzler, as you can see. I tried to fluff it up as much as I could and tried several times to get it to drizzle. It kind of just hung out there. It was a pretty firm cloud slime. Eventually, I did get some sort of a drizzle, but I really had to kind of move my hand down to get it to fall. Last up is Love Spell. This is a clear slime tinted pink. It has foam balls inside, white, pink, and magenta. It has a red plastic charm, and it is scented like Love Spell, which to me was a pleasant, clean scent. For being a scented slime, I was really impressed with the clarity on this one, and it gave some great pops. If you stretched it too fast, obviously you can see it did rip, so it was definitely a slow stretch slime. It was also nice and thick, and it had a pleasant scent. Okay, it's time to rank these slimes from 1 to 3 based on scent, their texture, and how they were presented. My number 3 pick was Cupid's Candy. I loved the add-ins, and cloud textures are one of my favorites. Number 2 was Valenslime. I love the way this one looks on the outside before being mixed, and it had a great candy scent. My number 1 pick was Love Spell for its clarity, thick texture, and colorful floams. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next ranking.